I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management. Today we are discussing about the team and the team effectiveness. Team and team effectiveness. As we have been already discussed about the team has basically the two or more person was there. They are deputed for a specific task. After the work has been finished, the team is to be adjourned or dissolved. Normally, if we have to go for that, because team is a group concept, we already cleared down. Now, because there are certain types of team in our routine process. One is formal team. It is generally called, developed by the managers carrying our specific task or mission was there. This is basically the formal teams. Then secondly, we can say down as committee which generally lets a long time and deals with recurrent problems and decisions. This is the second time is committee. The third we can say is a quality circle. We have already discussed the quality circle is a kind of team. This quality circle will be come down by the means of a renowned metal company. They have to come down is a program called Cooperative Hourly. This thing will be come down. Or then there are also some formal teams which are already temporary, that may be called task force. Task force, after finishing all the work, is to be dissolved. Then informal teams, groups emerge when people come together, interact regularly. So these type of things we already discussed, and now we are already know about the teams is to be developed on the basis of awareness, conflicts, cooperation, productivity and separation. This type of process is to be there. Because team development process we have already discussed earlier. So now, because when the team was there, so there is a logic of the team effectiveness. So team is a group of person for a specific task. After team work is over, team dissolved. We have now the team effectiveness. How the team is to be effective? So in the effectiveness of the team, whenever we are discussing, so there are three things. First is team direction, that is direction. Second is design, and third is development. So team direction, team design, team development, this type of process we have been carried out. So in the development process, whatever, in the direction we have certain inputs we will discuss, because in this input we are discussing about the team resources and the context, and design will also carried out by the same means, and whatever the development process, it is to be carried out the process and certain things output. जैसे हम अगर चाय बनाते हैं तो there are certain contents जो अपने पास होते हैं, कुछ contents हमको बाहर से लाना पड़ता है. Then we have to put down a process, and then we have to come down the output. Same thing in team, we have certain contents, certain team members, certain objects, we have some certain objective, missions, vision, this each and everything we have. So accordingly we have to carry on. So whenever we are discussing about the parenthesis of that, we have to go for that. So now, if you have to carry on the vision and objectives, so team effectiveness. So regarding the team effectiveness, there was a scientist known as Ginnett. The full name is Robert C. Ginnett. They have given a team effectiveness leadership model, TELM model. Team effectiveness leadership model. What they told, because we have already discussed कि until or unless we are not dream, we cannot develop anything. And if we have not that type of design idea, then no team will be successful. So in the industry, what is design? So what is the designing process? In the designing, in the team में, there is a control system in the industry. Control system. In this control system, there are three things. That is reward, education, and information. Reward. Second is education, and third is, what is the third thing? That is information. These are the three systems which is to be put on organization inputs was there. These are basically the organization input. Organizations provided the three things: reward system, education system, and the information system. Or this is totally based on intrinsic and extrinsic environment. That is environment. So these are the controlling body in the institutions which may lead of the team effective leadership models. Now in the process we have to put on team designing. Because we have to put team design. In the team design, we have task, composition, and the norms. Task, composition, and the norms. Three things. Whatever. And this is already decided as per the norms of the system as well. Whatever the person entered in the team management process, team development process, he had the individual inputs. He has the individual input. What is the individual input? Again, there are three things: interest, skills, values, whatever. Interest, skill, values, then motivation, attitude, a lot, whatever. Individuals. This is. So when we have to develop any team development process, our institutional development process and our individual process, individual inputs, both design the team design. This is team designing. So by this means we have developed a small design, team design. Then because this team design will lead our development process. So whatever the development process criteria. In the process criteria, we have effort, knowledge, and skills. Because for the development we have the knowledge. कोई भी चीज करना है तो हमारे पास नॉलेज होना चाहिए, हमारे पास स्किल्स होने चाहिए और हमारे पास ये करने की एफर्ट्स होना चाहिए. तो three things is to be there. That's why we have to put down. Then now our dream was there. Dream related with our team designing process and our development center was there. This is the process. It is the team, or this is the designing. We have to put on. So this is the process which is known as a team leadership. Team leadership. For team effectiveness leadership model, this is basically the team leadership, in which three things was there: dream, design, and development. but it is not the team effectiveness. For where the team effectiveness come down, this is a modulation process is to be there. So team effectiveness, this is the team. Team, it has an outcome with acceptable stakeholders, because why the team is to be developed, they have certain motives, certain missions, certain objectives. Because this is the institution, each and everything related to the stakeholders, whatever the shareholders to be there, stakeholders invested the amount, they need return of that also. So the team, individual satisfaction should be there. This is the individual satisfaction. Then future capabilities, this was, and the outcome acceptable should be by the stakeholders. So each and everything is the development 6. This is process. But when we can say down team is effective or not, because team will be only effective if team designing process and self-development leads to this feedback system was there. This is, and again, if anything lacuna was there, so the team should inform development process and inform to the institutional system. Without institutional systems, we cannot say down that this is our team or this is the mix. So this is basically a charting. It's not a diagram. I just put down the things in a diagrammatic form only. So regarding the team development, team effectiveness leadership model, there are 3 things we have already discussed: dream, design, and development. Because dream, design, and development, if you have to come down with the traditional models, traditional has basically the 3 things: team inputs, team process, and the team effectiveness. If our dream is okay, we can accommodate and our designing process by the intrinsic and extrinsic factors with the internal characteristics of the team members and the team designing process, then definitely our team will be, whatever the team will be developed, it's to be the very, very effectiveness. But regarding the Ginnett model, so things is to be key for the major designing functions. When we have to put a dream, design, and development, the input and context plays the vital role. And in this vital role, whatever the leadership is to be there, because leadership is a group or a team function. It's not necessary, because team, there are so many members is to be there, and everyone has different works. We cannot say down that every person will do the same job whatever the other person is doing in the team. That may be acceptable in the group, but team has a different task. Every person belongs to different tasks, and whatever the different tasks to be there, then only they can achieve the success. Because in the team building process, whatever the organization inputs, team design inputs, individuals inputs, and the contextual inputs. That is organization inputs, then team design inputs, this to be there, then individual inputs, and then contextual inputs. They develop the team process. Or team process provide the team effectiveness because of these, because most of the work is done by these institutions. Processes to be there. But when we have to discuss about the team effectiveness, there we have to put down certain things. Because if everyone is not performing in the team, then our vision and mission, vision we cannot say down, but our mission will not be accomplished. Because small missions feed the process of the vision. And whatever the organization inputs, if we have to put down certain things, what team members want? Reward, education systems, information systems, and what in the process of team designing, we have certain tasks, designing components, and norms. They have to form individual inputs. Input skill, abilities, values, additions, knowledge, skill, this sort of thing. So the foundation block, in the foundation blocks of the TELM, the team effective leadership models, group dynamics, control systems, authority, and interpersonal behavior are critical. In a building with a bad foundation, the wall crack, the door stick, and the floor tilt. In an organization, a bad foundation may produce symptoms seen as disagreement, non-productive employees, insufficient or missing critical information, non-symbolic teams, and poor outputs. Whereas in a building of organization, it is nearly impossible to compensate a bad foundation. So in this, the components of the TELM, team effectiveness, we have to build certain process. Outdoor acceptability was there, individual satisfaction should be there, future capability was there. And in this process, team effective leadership model, Ginnett had already cleared down that without a proper team, without a proper team leadership model, without the proper vision, and in the development sector, we cannot develop the effectiveness system there. If the team effectiveness, you need the team effectiveness, you need extra something to achieve the target or do the target, definitely we can say down that we can achieve whatever the things is to be, requirement is to be there. So regarding that process, we can be carry on. Or now, where we use these things to be there. So in the using of this process in institutions, day by day this thing will come down. Because sometimes, if you have to look after the Indian cricket team, a lot of members to be selected, may be possible they are performing or not performing, earlier or previous was there, but whenever the selection was there, we have to put on a 100% balanced manual was there. Same thing here, whatever the reward system, whatever the education system, whatever the information system provided by the institution, and whatever the team, the designing process, we have to put on the task, campaign, normal, same thing is applicable in everywhere where that we have to develop a team. Because team mission is clearly defined before development of a team. And team effectiveness is totally depend on the three things that has to be there. So this is the overall things which we have discussed about the TELM model, team effectiveness leadership model. Or for this team effective leadership model, we can say down every institution can develop their own wills, their own missions, but for creating a future, creating a vision, we need a good team members. So Ginnett has exercised these models and showed down that the values and attitudes is place, availability of official data and norms should be clearly defined in the institution was there. So this is the overall things which we can know.